Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, I want to ask you a big question. What if you woke up with 86,400 in your hand? There is one rule. You must spend it all today. You cannot save it. You cannot put it in a bank. If you don't use it, you lose it forever. You would be very careful with that money, right? Well, this money is actually your time. Meet a man named Leo. Every morning at 7 a.m., Leo gets a gift. He finds a gold box on his door. Inside are 86,400 seconds of life. This is his time budget for the day. He wants to use his gold to build a great life. But then Leo opens his magic mirror. He looks at thousands of silly videos and photos. He thinks he is busy, but he is only distracted. When he looks up, the sun is going down. His gold box is empty. His day is gone. Are you wasting your gold box like Leo? Leo wants to know where his gold went. He looks closer and finds 3 time thieves. The first thief is named the screen. It lives in his pocket and glows with blue light. It whispers, "Just one more video, Leo." It steals 2 hours before he even eats breakfast. The second thief is named Later. Leo says, "I will study English later tonight." But later never arrives. It is a ghost. By tonight, Leo is too tired to think or learn. The third thief is named the crowd. These are people who want Leo's time for themselves. They ask Leo for favors he doesn't want to do. Leo says yes to them, but no to his dreams. These 3 thieves are very quiet and very fast. They take your gold and give you nothing back. Leo feels sad, but then he meets a teacher. The teacher shows him a shield to protect his box. Do you have these thieves in your house too? Let's learn how to take your gold back. Leo asks the teacher, "How can I save my gold?" The teacher smiles and gives him a shield. This shield has one powerful word on it: no. To say yes to your life, the teacher says, you must say no to the things that waste it. Leo learns to say no to the first thief, the screen. He puts his phone in a drawer for 1 hour. Suddenly, his room is quiet and his mind is clear. Then he fights the second thief, Later. Leo decides, I will do the hard things first. He studies English while his energy is high. He doesn't wait for the sun to go down. Finally, he speaks to the third thief, the crowd. He says, I cannot help you right now. I am busy building my future today. Leo feels strong. He is the boss of his gold box. He is not just busy. He is making progress. He is finally using his gold to buy a better life. Are you ready to use your shield today? Let's see the amazing results of Leo's work. 1 month later, Leo looks in the mirror. He does not see a tired man anymore. He sees a man who can speak English. He sees a man who has a healthy body. Because he used his gold to buy books, he now has more knowledge in his brain. Because he used his gold to sleep well, he now has more energy in his heart. The time thieves still come to his door. They still whisper, just one more video. But Leo just looks at his shield and smiles. He knows that his time is his greatest wealth. A wasted life is just a wasted today. He says, but a great life is just a great today. Every morning, Leo still gets his 86,400 seconds. But now, he spends them like a king. He doesn't throw his gold in the trash. He plants it like seeds for a beautiful garden. Your gold box is waiting for you tomorrow. How will you spend your first 1,000 seconds? Leo's story is not just a fairy tale. Leo's story is your story too. Every day, you stand at a big crossroads. One path leads to the magic mirror. It is easy, but it leaves your life empty. The other path leads to your big dreams. It is difficult, but it makes you rich. You do not need to change everything today. Just choose one big rock for tomorrow. Is it reading one page of a book? Is it practicing English for 10 minutes? Put that rock in your gold box first. Don't let the time thieves take your life. You are the author of your own book. Every second you spend well is a victory. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is the second you have now. Use your gold well, and you will never be poor. If you want to be a king of time, subscribe. Don't waste another second. Start now. Leo is using his shield now. He says no to many distractions. But he still feels very tired at night. He asks the teacher, "Why am I so tired?" "I am working all day," Leo says. "I am doing many, many things." The teacher asks, "Are you moving forward, or are you just running in a circle?" This is the busy trap. It is like a rocking chair. You move back and forth very fast, but you never leave the room. Leo was doing small, easy tasks all day. He was answering emails and cleaning his desk, but he was avoiding his big rocks. He was busy, but he was not growing. To be a master of time, you must stop. Ask yourself, is this task making me better? If the answer is no, step out of the trap. Don't just be busy. Be effective. Leo wants to be a master of English today. He tries to study for 5 hours, but after 1 hour, his brain is tired. He wants to give up and find a time thief. The teacher stops him and says, "Wait. You are trying to climb the mountain in one jump. A mountain is climbed one small step at a time." This is the secret of the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, you will be 37 times better in 1 year. You don't need to spend all your gold at once. Just spend 15 minutes on your dream today. 15 minutes of English is better than 0. 15 minutes of exercise is better than 0. These small wins build a very strong habit. Habits are like the engine of a fast car. Once the engine starts, it is easy to move. Don't look at the mountain. Look at your feet. Just be 1% better than the Leo of yesterday. Your future self will thank you for it. Leo noticed something strange about his day. Sometimes an hour feels like a minute. Sometimes a minute feels like an hour. Why is this? Leo asked the teacher. The teacher said, "You have an energy clock. Your energy goes up and down, like the sun. Some people are lions in the morning. They have a lot of power at 8 o'clock a.m. Some people are owls in the night. They feel smart and awake at 10 p.m. Leo was trying to study English when he was tired. He was fighting against his own body. You must match your big rocks to your energy. Do your hardest work when your brain is bright. Do your sand tasks when your energy is low. Don't waste your best energy on the trash. Listen to your body's clock every day. When you work with your energy, you win. Managing your energy is the secret of the wise. It makes your 86,400 seconds feel like magic. It is 9 p.m. and the sun is down. Leo looks inside his gold box one more time. There are only a few seconds left. He cannot give them to anyone else. He cannot keep them for his breakfast. But Leo is not sad or worried tonight. He looks at his big rocks from the morning. They are finished. He did the hard work. He feels a deep peace in his heart. This is the wealth of a good day. Tomorrow is a new gift, the teacher says, but you must prepare the box tonight. Leo puts his clothes ready for the morning. He chooses his big rock for tomorrow. He cleans his desk and closes his eyes. He is not running away from his life. He is resting so he can be strong again. A good sleep is an investment in your gold. An empty box today means a full heart tonight. Sleep well, because your future is coming. Leo wakes up at 7 a.m. again. He sees the gold box on his door, but he is a different man now. He is the king of his own life. He doesn't look at the magic mirror. He looks at his dreams and smiles. He knows that time is the only thing that he can never buy back with money. You have the same gold box as Leo. You have the same 86,400 seconds. Will you let the thieves take them? Or will you build a life you love? Don't waste your life waiting for one day. Make today the day one of your new story. You are the master of your seconds. You are the pilot of your own ship. Thank you for watching this journey. We believe in you and your great future. If you want to value your life, subscribe. Click the bell to join our family.